Hello, welcome to Technology Direct. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Using a drop-down list allows you to pick an item from the list that you create. It helps limit the possible answers and guarantees you can clearly read the answers. And above all, it ensures consistencies in the response of people you send this spreadsheet to. In Google Sheets, the process of creating a drop-down is less stressful compared to other spreadsheet applications. Now, let's walk you through this step to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. We'll take you through 10 good steps. But before we do that, be sure to hit the subscribe button in order to get updates of our videos once they are published. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that it can get to other persons who might benefit from it. In step 1, open the Google Sheets spreadsheet where you want to add a drop-down list. In step 2, now open a fresh or create a new sheet in that spreadsheet where you want to list all the drop-down list. And to do that, you navigate down to that spreadsheet. You'll see the Add Sheet button which features a positive, a plus sign. Click on it and a new sheet will be created. In step 3, right click on this new sheet and click rename. Once you click rename, this spreadsheet will be editable. The name of this spreadsheet will be editable. You can edit it or change it to any name you feel like is useful to you. You can type any name that you think you can be able to remember, and then you click what? Enter. In step 4, I want you to list all the items you want to be on that drop-down list in a column within this new list. And once I've done that, in step 5, I'll now go back to that my initial spreadsheet and then click the cell in which I want the drop down to exist. And once I click the cell, I'll go straight to the menu aspect of that spreadsheet and click data. Step 7, in that data, I'll click data validation in the menu. The data validation will display a window. Now, step 7, in this window, I want us to go straight to the criteria aspect. In the criteria aspect of this window, you will see the first list is to list from a range, and that is exactly what we want to do. We list from a range, and once we finish listing from a range, we'll enter the range or the formula. To enter the range or the formula, we'll click the select data range. And once you click select data range, go to that list you have created in that previous sheet and highlight the list, the drop down items you want, and you see it has been selected, cell A1 to A5. And once you've done that, you click OK. Then it will take you back to the data validation icon or display window. In step 8, this point which shows show drop-down list in cell, if it is not checked yet, you have to check it. And once you check it and it is checked, you click what? Save. And once you click save, navigate back to the initial cell and check your this shell which you selected. If you check the shell, you see that the items have been selected. Now, if you want this item to be displayed in all other cells of this question, in step 9, all you need to do is to click here, right-click this cell, click on this cell, right-click and click copy. And once you click copy, highlight these other cells and click what? paste, and once you click paste, it will show the whole item on this other aspect. Now you can play with formatting. In this aspect, I can decide to format with various colors I want, and the options I want them to be formatted to other colors which I want to be displayed. So once the user of this Excel sheet sees this, they can be able to select yes or no, and they can be able to select whichever options they want depending on what they want. Thanks so much for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to this video in order to get a subsequent update of our subsequent videos once they are published.